Fellow tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Genie, your one-stop channel for tech tips and tricks. If you're new here, remember to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our fresh content. Your support means the world to us. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of downloading the Kwai app on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. To get started, unlock your iPhone and tap on the App Store icon on your home screen. The App Store is where you'll find all the apps available for download on your iPhone. In the App Store's search bar, type Kwai and hit enter. This will display the Kwai app among the search results. Make sure to select the official Kwai app with a trustworthy developer. Once you've found the Kwai app, tap on the Get or Install button next to its name. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the installation. This step is essential to ensure a secure download. Your iPhone will begin the installation process. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Please be patient and avoid interrupting the installation. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the Kwai app on your home screen.